Okay, so today, grade 5, we are going to talk about on how to find the percentage, the base, and the rate. But first, we will have the percentage muna. Okay, so we're going to do it one by one. First, the percentage, and then on our next meeting will be the base, and then the rate. Okay, so when you are at the mall, have you ever seen a word a discount, or have you ever seen 20% sale, 50% off, and etc.? Okay, so do you have any idea what does it mean? What will happen to the item or the price of the item if it is 20% sale or 50% off? Okay, Jerry. I'm sorry. What is it, Jerry? Wala akong narinig. What if it's 50% off? Yes, if it's 50% off, naturally the price has been divided by 2. But that is not really the process on getting the amount or the percentage amount. Iba kasi yung process nun if you are going to just divide. So let's say if it's 30%, okay, you cannot divide it by 2 since it is not 50%. But the idea, kapag ka yung item is at 50%, the idea of it was the original price will be divided into half or into 2. Okay, so the idea is there. Very good, Jeric. But um, when we say, or if you saw an item that is at a discounted price or at 20% sale or are 50% off or kung ano pa man yung nakalagay. If it's a discount, it means that you are going to pay a lesser amount for that particular item than its original price. Okay? So let's say this is a sample scenario. Let's say you are about to buy BTS merch. Then suddenly you saw that the item was actually 30% off. Okay, so the original price of the merch was 1,500. So how much will you pay after the discount? So its original price was 1,500. Then naka-sale siya at 30% off. So, how much are you going to pay? So, of course, dahil nga naka-sale siya ng 30%, we need to identify kung magkano yung 30% ng 1,500 and then we are going to deduct that amount to its original price para malaman natin kung magkano na lang yung ibabayad natin sa BTS merch. Okay? So here, the original price of the merch, which is 1,500, is called the base. Okay, so ibig sabihin po, yung base po is yung pinakang kabuuang bilang, kabuuang number, or kabuuang presyo. Okay, so that's our base. The 30% off is called the rate. So the one with the percent sign is called the rate. Okay? Then the discounted price after the 30% off has been deducted is called the percentage. So we are going to find out the percentage. Since we have 1,500 as the base and we also have the 30% off discount, which is the rate. So we are missing the P or the percentage. Get it? Grade 5? Are we clear with that? Yes, okay. So we are going to find out the percentage. So let's see. To solve the problem involving the percentage, we use the formula percentage or P. Oops, I'm sorry. P is equal to base multiply by R or the rate. So, ganito po yung magiging formula natin. So, what is our base? Again, that is 1,500 and our R or the rate is 30%. Okay, so our P is missing. Our B is 1,500. Okay, so our rate, we are going to convert it into decimal first. Okay, ko-convert muna natin siya. So, we have 30%. So, how are we going to convert percent to decimal? Our previous lesson. Ano ginagawa natin to change the percent? Okay, very good. So, we are going to divide 30 by 100. Okay, so ilan po yung 30? 30 divided by 100. Ilan po grade 5? Okay, let us have my calculator. 30 divide 0.3. Okay, very good. 0.3 or 0.30, but we can use 0.3. Okay, so wag niyong kakalimutan na i-convert yung rate o yung R to decimal muna ha, bago kayo mag-proceed sa multiplication. Okay, 1,500 multiplied by 0.3. Okay, 1,500 times 0.3. Let's see. 1,500 times 0.3. Ang laki naman, 5,000. Okay, so with my calculator here, 1,500 times 0.3. 0.3 ha, remember 0.3. So the answer that I have is 450. So that means if if the P is 450, we are going to deduct 450 with 1,500 to get the amount na babayaran na lang for the BTS merch. Okay, so magkano na lang po yung babayaran? 1,500 minus 450. 450 is the amount na ibabawas natin dun sa original price. 1,000? 1,150? Are you sure? Let us see. Parang 1,050 lang. 1,500 minus 400. Oh, 1,050. Okay. So that is 1,050. Okay. So ito na lang yung presyo ng BTS merch since ano siya, naka 30% off. Okay. So, pag meron kayong mga gustong item, let's say naglalasada kayo or nagsha-Shopee kayo, kapag ka meron kayo nakita na yung presyo is at 50% na discount, 60% na discount, so pwede nyo nang malaman kung magkano yung mababawas doon. Or halimbawa, nagpunta kayo ng mall, pag pwede na. So, pag meron kayong gustong item din nakita nyo na ganun siya, naka-sale siya, pwede nyo na siyang makompute. Okay, let's try. What is 30% of 500? So, same. What is 30%? Is it the percentage, the rate, or the base? Lara, what is 30% of 500? For number one problem, what is 30% of 500? So, first, yung 30%, what is it? The P, the R, or the B? Yung 30%. Is that the P? Okay, yung R. Opo, bibili tayo. Okay, so 30% is our R. How about the 500? Nico. 30% of 500. So, yung 30% is our R or the rate. How about the 500? Is it the P or the B? Nico? The given is, or the question is, what is 30%? Question is, what is 30% of 500? So, Lara says that 30% is our R or the rate. So, what is the B? Okay. What is the 500? Sorry. Hello? Nico? Formula po natin, Maurice. What is our formula? Kapag P ang hinahanap, so we are missing P. Okay, B times rate. Okay, so if we are missing P, our B is 500. Ano unang gagawin natin muna dun sa rate? or dun sa percent, we are going to con convert it to decimal. So, the decimal number for 30%, same naman siya kanina, 30%. Ay, sorry, 0.03. 0.3. Sorry. Okay. 500 times 0.3. Ilan po? 500 times 0.3. 150. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ang 30% ng 500 is 150. Very good. Okay, let's see. Number 2, what is 20% of 450? So, of course, we are missing P. O, Nico, what is our R? 20% of 450. Tama ba yun? Yes, 20% of 450. So, we are missing P. So, alin yung R, alin yung B? Nico. Yes. With the given. The question is, what is 20% of 450? Ang meron lang na given is 20% and then 450. I-identify mo lang kung alin doon ang R, alin doon ang B. Yes. So, ano ang base? Yung 20% o yung 450? Yung base. Okay, very good. So, ano yung R? Nico. Okay, yung 20. Tama. So, 20% will be the R and our B is 450. So, what is 20% of 450? Erica. What is 20% of 450? Using our formula. So, first, you need to convert percentage or the 20% into decimal. And then multiply it by 450. So, what is your answer? I'm sure you have your calculator beside you. Or you may use the calculator of your phone or the calculator of the PC or the laptop. But during the examination, I am not encouraging everyone to use the calculator as much as possible. $90. Let's see. I'm gonna pull up my calculator here in my phone. Oops. 450 times 0.2. 90. Very good. So, the 20% of 450 is 90. Okay. Let's see number 3. What is 25% of 700? What is our B and what is our R? Jeric. 25% of 700. 25. The question is, what is the 25% of 700? Okay, so that is 25% of 700, not 750, ha? 700 will be the base and the rate is a 25%. Very good. Okay, what is 25% of 700? Aya, I'm sorry, ano po? Okay, sige po, CR. So, where's Aya? Yes, multiply, but you have to convert 25% first into decimal. Hold on, Jeric, ha? Natawag ko na kasi si Aya. Aya, do you have your answer na? Okay. Let us wait for Aya, ha? $2,500? Have you converted 25% to decimal? Convert it first. So 25 divide 100, use 0.25, not 25. So you are going to multiply 700 by 0.25. So 175 is the 25% of 700. I'm gonna take a look lang, ha. Nasaan na yung aking calcu? 700 times 0.25. 175. Okay. So that means the P of the given problem is 175. Okay. Please read number 4 problem, Portia. Thank you, Aya. Okay. So we have to find out. Okay. So we have to find out what will be or how much will you pay just in case or if the bag was at 50% off, and we need to find out how much would the bag's price if it's 20% off. So, dalawa yung kukumputin natin, 15% and then 20% off. Okay. So, the original price, 1,200 will be our P, and then our R will be 15 and 20. So, we are after the P ulit. We are going to find out what is our P. And then our B is 1,200, right? Okay, 1,200. And then yung una is 15%. So what is the 15% of 1,200, Vika? 15% muna and then later yung 20%. 15% of 1,200, Vika. Nasa CR ba si Vika? Okay. How about Nicole? Okay. What is 15% of 1,200? Nicole? Mm-hmm. You need to find out what is the 15% of 1,200 by multiplying the B and the R. But you need to convert first the percent or the 15% to decimal before you multiply it.
Ma,
Oh,
babalan natin yun ito. Keko.
gecko.
Keko bean. So,
Nicole, are you done? 15% of 1,200. So, our formula here is, kapag ang P ang hinahanap natin is we multiply R and B, or we multiply the rate and the base. Okay, so but hindi mo muna siya i-multiply directly because you need to convert first the rate to decimal. So, for you to do it, you need to divide 15 or the rate to 100. And then, yung value na makukuha mo, that's the number, okay, 0.15. So, 0.15 will be the value that you multiplied to B. Okay, so 180 is the 15% of 1,200. 1,200, oops, 1,200 times 0.15. Okay, 180.
Ano to?
Okay. How about the 20% of 1,200, Jeric?
Alam ko na.
The 20% of 1,200.
May bin makusok ng ayuman.
Jeric? Hold on ha. Okay. So for this problem, oo nga po eh. So I'm going to dictate na lang the problem for you, Jeric, ha? So, the problem is, the concert ticket for the Blackpink concert in the Philippines is worth 3,500 each. And if you are going to buy 3 tickets, you will have a 40% discount for the total amount of the 3 tickets. So our R will be the 40% discount and our B is the total amount of the 3 tickets. So that is 3,500 times 3. That is 10,500. Okay, Jeric? So, we multiply 40% to 10,500. But first, kinuha namin yung decimal number for 40%. So, that is 0.4 according to your classmates. So, 0.4 times 10,500 is equal to what number? Ilan po? How much is the 40% or what is 0.4 times 10,500? Ano po ulit? 4,200. Ayun. So, ang question dito ha, kailangan i-analyze nyo ng maayos grade 5 ha, kasi hindi naman tinatanong yung kasi baka ang maging final answer nyo is 4,200 lang. Pero 'di ba, ang pinakang question doon is how much will you pay? So you need to deduct 4,200 to 10,500 pa to get the final answer. Okay? So, 10,500 minus 4,200. 6,000. Okay, 6,300. So, kapag ka bumili ka ng tatlo, makukuha mo na lang yung tatlong ticket for the amount of 6,300. Okay, mura, parang amount of 2. For the amount or for the price of 2 na lang, 2 tickets lang yung binayaran mo since 3,535 yung isa, 'di ba? Ang laki ng discount mo. Parang buy 2 get 1, ganon. Okay, so